Grace, is it just a startup that deals with Amazon accounts, or an excuse to do just more than that? Well, BAME, 3+ years of research in the field of AI, natural law, gave birth to BAME, which stands for Business Artificial Intelligent Machine Model, published at Coventry University, United Kingdom. Is trying to do something more than just selling products on e-commerce platform. Now let us imagine a computer-processed string push a thought into an artificial intelligent machine. Computer language already yet. Country that was once called as the country where sun never sets, Britain, England or United Kingdom, gave an Indian researcher an opportunity to expand BAME's research in the field of AI, natural law, and most importantly BAME's neural networked business modeling, to communicate with the language called currency with the internet-enabled devices we use daily. Think. And in few seconds it changed to a thought, right? Yes, a thought which has feelings, and now imagine if these feelings can be monitored by a machine, while keeping the researcher's privileges of data integrity, security, and BAME's unique robust character installed in the master's blueprint. BAME's capacity to remember the past actions and the feelings which caused these actions play a major role in moving money from hand to hand. This behavior in the form of data, if captured by an AI machine, can help mankind move on with the experiences learned towards a better future. Sounds sustainable always. Is it so easy? Well, now you are thinking. Let's understand Grace's objective and the continued research on BAME before we pose our opinion on what could be the impact of AI controlling business models in the near future. Shall we see that in the near future, or understand now in this video? Now let's divide the concept of pushing a thought into an AI machine into 3 simple steps and see if we can bring life in a machine to predict business models. Models which can be more precise than any organizations can promise you. Stage 1. Using fuzzy logic, let us put all the fields related to business that ever existed till date around the globe in a 3-dimensional graph. This data can also contain the information related to the basic elements of the Earth too, data somewhat similar to CERN for that matter. Sounds time-consuming yet. In 3D modeling, these are simple 8 cubes of positive and negative axis that popped out from a problem statement. Proposed solution is through e-commerce sector, keeping time as a fundamental unit, collect the e-traffic, analyze and understand human behavior, and then predict the lifestyle that we mankind together are willing to choose for our future. Now if you dig deep, our idea, the main objective is to achieve time travel in terms of business and related transactions, to undo few errors we as mankind made till date that caused damages in economy in various countries to which the biggest organizations in the world still could not answer. These errors can be verified with the data present only at the reserve banks around the globe. Yes, now we are close enough to provide the skeleton on the blueprint for the AI machine. Step 2. In any business, client comes first and their feedback precedes their presence in the business model of any selected product or services. This is important for organization to offer to its clients. While generating sales in the existing competitive market has turned the phase of globalization not in the way our existing legislations, governments, and organizations expected, we are left with question mark while looking at the existing laws that prevail. Now, what can be done? Should we still continue predicting business changes with inaccurate data being analyzed around the globe? Or is it time to depend completely on machines to monitor human activity for a better near future? Step 3. Let's collect e-traffic to understand human behavior from a genuine and accurate platform. Amazon, the best e-commerce platform in the world according to the researcher. Now before we give this decision to machines of predicting business changes, let's think for a second if all the banking transactions in the world are being notified at the reserve banks. What does ARN records in a bank's dispute team have to advise?